हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एसएसबी 2023 बॉटनी क्वेश्चन के बारे में। इन कोलियोकीटा द थैलस इज, इसका आंसर होगा सी, हेटेरोट्राइकस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, केसुलगर इज ऑप्टेन फॉर्म, ऑप्शन होगा, आंसर होगा डायटमस। द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ बाट्राकोस्पर्मम इज haplodiploidic, haplobiontic, option D. The chloroplast in oidogonium is, that is, reticulate shape. Which of the following structures is associated with polysiphonia? इसका आंसर होगा B, diploid tetrasporophyte. Then move to the question number 6. An ascocarp without an ostriol is known as क्लेस्टोथेसियम। इसको थोड़ा घुमा के पूछा है। आस्कोकार्प विदाउट एन ओपनिंग, जो कभी ओपन नहीं होता है, वो कौन ओपन नहीं होता है? तो क्लेस्टोथेसियम स्ट्रक्चर कभी ओपन नहीं होता है, क्लोज फ्लावर होता है इसमें। दीज आर स्पेशलाइज्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स फाउंड ओनली इन फंगस। आंसर इज डिक्टियोजोम। गोल्गी के बॉडी के बदल में डिक्टियोजोम फंगस में पाया जाता है। The most common type of asexual reproductions in Saccharomycetes, that is yeast. yeast का common asexual reproduction क्या होता है? budding होता है। आंसर B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, the edible fungus Violaria vulgacea is commonly known as padistro mushroom. Then question number 10, Teludospores produced in their life cycles of Poxinia graminis triticum are primarily two cells with two nuclei in each cell. Okay, move to the question number 11. This is a broad spectrum systematic fungicides. It is no option number C. Then question number 12. Citrus canker disease is caused by citrus canker disease is caused by Xanthomonas critici, and option number B, also known as Xanthomonas anopodius. Then move to the question number 13. Tobacco mosaic virus spread rapidly in this way. टोबैको मोजाइक वायरस मेनली स्प्रेड होता है ऊंड के थ्रू, या फिर कुछ निशान हो गए, कुछ खेत हो गए प्लांट में, उससे टोबैको मोजाइक वायरस स्प्रेड होता है। तो इसका आंसर होगा मैकेनिकल ट्रांसमिशन, ऑप्शन नंबर डी। द कैस्पिड ऑफ द वायरस इज मेड अप ऑफ म्यूकोपॉलीसैकेराइड्स, ऑप्शन नंबर ए। द शेप ऑफ टोबैको मोजाइक वायरस इज, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रॉड शेप। द टीएमवी इज द जीनोम, द टीएमवी इज द जीनोम इज, तो टीएमवी का जीनोम क्या होता है? सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड आरएनए होता है। मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एंडोस्पोर प्रोड्यूसिंग बैक्टीरिया। एंडोस्पोर प्रोड्यूसिंग बैक्टीरिया जिनस क्या नाम होता है? बैसिलस, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। This organisms is useful in the productions of antibiotic oxytetracyclines. आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन रिमोसस। The photosynthetic bacteria, the pigment containing particles is called as chromatophore. बैक्टीरिया क्या होता है? बैक्टीरिया होता है, बैक्टीरिया का क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं होता है, तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट के बदले उसका क्रोमाटोफोर होता है जिसमें फोटोसिंथेटिक होता है। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. इन ऑस्लोटोरिया रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू हर्माटोगोनिया. In question number 21, this meristems is present in the sporophytes of Anthocerus is basal. Basal meristems is present in the sporophyte of the Anthocerus. Question number 22. One of the following helps in the dispersal of the spores in the Mercansia. Spore dispersal कौन help करता है? Elaters. Question number 23. These plants were used in the surgical dressings in the place of cotton during World War I is sargassum. is sphagnum. Option number C. Question number 24. In Bryophyta, the gametophytic generations is always independent. Option number A. An aquatic species of Rixia is always Rixia floritans. फ्लोटिंग होता है, aquatic मतलब फ्लोटिंग होता है, तो F से Rixia floritans. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Question number 26. Asexual reproduction structures are produced by anthriophore and archegoniophore in option number C. Markansia. Question number 27. The air space in cortex of the stems of equisetaums are vascular canals. Option number D. Hormospores sporangia are present in Lycopodium. Option number B. In Silagenella, trabeculae are present in this part of trabeculae are always present in the stem. Option number C. Question number 30. The vascular cylinder of rhizomes of Marcellia is amphibolic siphonostele. Option number A. Question number 31. Sphagnum is in the form of synergiums in xylotome. Option number B. Development of the microsporangia and megasporangia is leptosporangia in Marcellia. Option number D. 33. In the invasion theory of steels or exosteles, origin of pith was developed by Jeffrey. Option number C. Question number 34. In the coralloid root of cycas, the algal zone is present in which regions? Algal zone is present in middle of the cortex or inner of the cortex? Most probably इसका आंसर होगा middle of the cortex. Option number B. Question number 35. Anomalous secondary growth is seen in the stem of Nitum alba. Question number 36. In Nitum, the development of the female gametophyte is option number A. Tetrasporic. The endosperms of the pinus is formed before fertilizations. Always in gymnosperms, the endosperms is produced before fertilizations. In needle of the pinus, peg-like ingrowth of the wall is present in the mesophyll. Option number B. Question number 39. The fossil in which molecule by molecule replacement of origin matters minerals occurs in the ton of stones are known as option number D. Petri functions. Question number 14. Among the following fossils, which one also known as binettles? Option number C. Option number C. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर C. 41. In mangrove, the roots are the type of in mangrove का जो रूट होता है वो रेस्पिरेटरी में यूज होता है. ठीक है. Desiccated leaf arrangements is present in the type of phyllotaxy, that is opposite phyllotaxy. Option number D. Placentations in Fabaceae is always marginal placentations. Fabaceae का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? पी मटर होता है जो उसका प्लासेंटेशन कैसा होता है? मार्जिनल प्लासेंटेशन. इन पोआसी द फ्रूट्स आर कैरियोप्सिस. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Syngenesious anther are present in the family of Asteraceae. In Bentham and Hooker of system of classifications, the order of the seeds plant is पहले डाइकोटिलेडन्स, फिर जिम्नोस्पर्म, फिर मोनोकोटिलेडन्स. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी. A particular specimen or illustrations designs by author of the species to represent the type of species is known as. इसका author का फर्स्ट स्पेसिमेन जो होता है उसका नाम क्या होता है? होलोटाइप. ऑप्शन नंबर ए. The quiescent center concept was developed by Close. Option number C. In this type of stomata, the three sedimentary cells are unequals. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इसका आंसर होगा 49 का ऑप्शन नंबर बी। परफोरेटेड प्लेट्स आर प्रेजेंट्स इन वेसिकल्स, जाइलेम का वेसिकल्स में परफोरेटेड प्लेट प्रेजेंट होता है। लैटरल रूट्स हैव देयर ऑरिजिन फ्रॉम्स, लैटरल रूट कहाँ से ऑरिजिन होता है? पेरिसाइकल से। द आउटर पार्ट ऑफ द सेकेंडरी जाइलम्स कंटेन sapwood. The amphivalval vascular bundles are formed during the secondary growth of the stem of this plant of Dracena. Option number D. During the functions of the endotheciums in the anther is anther dehiscence. Option number C. The number and positions of the antipodal cells in polygonum types of embryo sacs is 3 and chalazal end. Option number D. Maturations of the stems and pistils at different times in the same flower is called as dichogamy. Option number A. Chalazogamy occurs in casuarinas. Option number B. One of the following particles in adventitious polyembryony is integument. Option number B. In peperomia, the polyploidy of endosperms is 9n. The gynobastic styles is found in osmum. During the transpirations, major portions of the waters is exit through stomata. Option number D. The mineral essential for translocations of the sugars in the plants is known as boron. Option number C. In Kelvin cycle, this enzyme catalyzes the reactions of the CO2 fixations is known as option number A, that is Robisco. The similar morphological units of photosynthesis is option number C, quantasome. The compound translocate from the chloroplast of the peroxisomes in the photorespirations is known as glyoxylate. Option number B. First product of the Krebs cycles is citrate. Option number D. Hexokinase belong to this category of enzymes that is known as transferase. Option number C. The suspension of catalytic activities of succinate dehydrogenase by malic acids is an example of competitive inhibitions. Option number D. These plants in the example of non-leguminous plants with nitrogen fixations through root nodules formations. Option number C, Casuarina equitifolia. Question number 70. The breaking of the soil's nitrogens or nitrate of molecular nitrogens is known as denitrifications. Option number D. Gibberellins are the first products from the fungi exerted from the fungi, that is option number D, that is for Gibberella fujikori. Option number B. Question number 72. Scariform techniques is used to break down of dormancies related to seed coat. Option number D. This plant hormone cause the fruit ripening is option number C, ethylene. Question number 74. Nymphia is an example of this type of holotypes. That is, Nymphia is the example of rooted with floating leaves. Option number C. This is an edaphic factor. What is an edaphic factor? The soil is known as edaphic factor. Option number D. In ecological succession, the stable communities are option number D, that is climax community. Question number 77. The pyramid of the number of the grassland ecosystems is always upright. Option number C. This is an example for sedimentary cycle. Sedimentary cycle क्या होता है, कौन से में होता है? फॉस्फरस में होता है और सल्फर में होता है. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. 79. Industrial effluents are one of the major contributors of these types of pollutions. Option number B, water pollutions. What is an biodegradable pollutant? That is, biodegradable pollutant का नाम होता है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, डोमेस्टिक सीवेज. 81. Integral proteins of the lipid bilayers of the plasma membrane is also known as intrinsic protein, option number B. The ribosome isolated from the chloroplast and mitochondria of the higher organisms have a sedimentation coefficient value of 78, option number B. The progressions of the cell cycles in majority of the eukaryotic and governed by option number C, cyclic dependent kinase and cyclins. Question number 84. DNA with left-handed helix structures, zigzag phosphate bond structures is called as Z-DNA, option number A. The DNA sequence elements that have prevent the inappropriate interactions between adjacent chromatins domain known as insulators, option number C. The genetic code of a terminal codon is UAA. The technique is useful for blotting proteins, that is known as Western blotting, option number C. In Mendelian dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio of the expected in F2 generations is 9:3:3:1, option number C. The mutations are independent by their ability to growth in presence of antibiotic or pathogen to which wild types are susceptible. This mutation is known as resistant mutation, option number B. Triticales is the fast man-made crops obtained from the hybridizations between wheat and rye, option number D. Mutations theory was proposed by Hugo de Vries, option number B. This is an pre-geotic isolation mechanisms, is seasonal isolations, option number D. 93. This techniques is useful for stabilizations of thermo-isolation substance needed in the न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम थर्मो लेबल्ड होगा, मतलब ऑटोक्लेव में नहीं होगा, ड्राई हीट स्टेरिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा. उसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, फिल्टर स्टेरिलाइजेशंस. Polyethylene glycol PEG is useful in the process of fusion of protoplast, option number B. Haploid plants can be produced through this techniques is known as anther culture. Anther होगा N haploid, तो anther culture करने से haploid plant produce होता है, ऑप्शन नंबर C. 96. The trade interest in the transgenic plants of golden rice is, गोल्डन राइस किसके लिए होता है? बेटर न्यूट्रिशन क्वालिटी को देने के लिए गोल्डन राइस हुआ था. The Barnells and Brasters genes were isolated from Bacillus amylo, option number B. 98. Headquarters of the Central Potato Research Institute is located at, option number C, Simla. 99. Para rubbers is obtained from option number C, Hevia. Question number 100. In Rauwolfia, the medicinally useful part of the plants is root. इसके साथ ख़त्म होता है 100 क्वेश्चन.